Hi, as you have seen, this is a self-portrait of mine from 1941. In Me and My Parrots, as usual, I'm staring intently beyond the canvas at the viewers. This piece contains various details worth further exploration. The white blue is a traditional Mexican woman's attire, frequently featured in my self-portraits, and my parrots around me create depth. Their vibrant and colorful feathers delicately depict. However, animals are not as cooperative as humans, so my parrot friends are temporarily taking a breath, and I'm substituting them with potato chips and other stuff for now.